Most of the time, the answer you need is split across tools: files in Box, delivery plans in a project management tool, and pipeline data in a CRM. This quick demo, I'm going to show you how OpenAI's Company Knowledge pulls those threads together into a single cited summary you can act on. I'm Andrew, Senior Developer Advocate here at Box. Let's get started. In Box, I've stored two simple anchors for the quarter. First, a quarterly pipeline overview. This one just frames priorities and risks for our two fictional accounts, Linear Systems and Novionics. And then second, a Q3 release plan that lays out the themes, performance, workflow automation, and an improved admin experience. Now, these docs represent the source of truth that our team refers to. The takeaway here is that Company Knowledge will be able to reference these strategy notes directly when we ask a question. So, with strategy grounded in Box, let's check out the delivery plan that supports it. Over in Linear, I grouped together the delivery work in a project called Q3 Commitments. You'll see items tied to each account, things like performance and visibility work for Lunara, and automation plus admin polish for Novionics. For example, this one over here. These tasks reflect what's actually moving the strategy forward. The big idea here is that our delivery plan is clear-cut. This way, Company Knowledge can connect real work to real deals. Now, let's check out the go-to-market side. In HubSpot, I've got two companies set up with active deals, one for expansion and one renewal, both with basic metadata like stage, amount, and close timing. Overall, nothing too out of the ordinary. The point here is that deal movement lives here in HubSpot, while supporting work lives in Linear, and documentation lives in Box. So now, with each system in place, let's check out Company Knowledge and ask for a comprehensive summary. Here in ChatGPT, let's first set a few things up. I'm going to select Company Knowledge right over here. And then under Sources, I've already connected HubSpot and Linear off camera. So let's go ahead and add our last connector, which is Box. So we'll hit Connect. We'll hit Continue. We'll grant access to Box. Now, with all three connectors connected, let's go ahead and use Company Knowledge and ask our question. We'll ask it this: create a Q3 pipeline to delivery summary using HubSpot deal data for the company's Novionics and Linear Systems, the Linear Project Q3 commitments, and Box docs in our Q3 folder. In your response, include each open deal, the corresponding delivery tasks and owners, relevant strategic notes, and top 5 portfolio insights. Let's go ahead and submit this. All right, we have a response. Looks like it's a single readable brief. It first lists the open deals from HubSpot down over here. Then it maps them to the related work that we have in Linear. So, for example, things like automation and admin updates for Novionics, as well as the performance and observability items for Lunara. Then over here, it also pulls in the strategic themes from the Box docs to explain why these items matter. Then down below, it closes off with a short set of portfolio insights. So things like focusing on where the work impacts a quarter, tracking the obvious dependencies, and also making sure the enablement lines up with what's shipping. Now, down at the bottom, what's really cool is that everything is cited. So you can always click into the exact deal, task, or document it referenced. What we just saw is how Company Knowledge brings everything together: your files in Box, your tasks, and your deals, so that you can see the full story without switching tools. And when you need to go deeper into that content, like summarizing or analyzing directly inside Box, Box AI is right there. On top of that, it's built on the same security and context your teams already rely on. It's your enterprise AI strategy as two essential layers: Company Knowledge for discovery and Box AI for deep content work. To try this out, connect Box to OpenAI's Company Knowledge and see how easily you can bring your content into ChatGPT alongside the rest of your tools. And when you're ready to go from discovery to creation, explore how Box AI can help you work with that content natively in Box. I'm Andrew. See you next time.